Hello everyone, my name is Atri Sharma and I'm a product engineer at Pangaea Data. Today, I'll be giving you a brief overview about Pangaea as a company, as well as our core product, Pangaea's intelligence extraction and summarization. Now, in a nutshell, our product makes use of novel, unsupervised AI to extract information from a large volume of data and essentially summarize it to help end users make real-time, data-driven decisions. Now, as we all know, unstructured textual data contains a wealth of information that is currently seriously underutilized. Pangaea is now one of the only providers of directly usable products in this space, which it has built through 20 years of research that have attracted over $200 million in research funding so far. Now, Pangaea is an active product in the life sciences industry, where it has shown significant value add in its active customers at pharmaceutical companies as well as at healthcare providers. Finally, our founders have prior experience of working with banks through their previous businesses, which they have also successfully led to acquisitions. Now, moving on, let me explain how our product essentially works in extracting as well as summarizing information. For this purpose, we have developed two novel AI methods. The first is unsupervised natural language processing. And this is a method that makes use of contextual, semantic, as well as numerical understanding to extract information from a large volume of unstructured textual data with high speed and accuracy. The next method that we have developed is the exact reverse. So it essentially uses information as an input and automatically produces a textual summary of that input information. Now, one of the key use cases that we're currently collaborating with a global bank is the automatic generation of reports that summarize the performance of financial products. So our product will make use of reports from vendors as an input, which would consist of electronic PDF reports consisting market analysis and returns of financial products. The relevant information from these reports will be first extracted by our unsupervised natural language processing algorithm. And then this extracted information would be then summarized by our natural language generation algorithm, which will essentially produce a summary of the performance of the financial products that are contained inside the reports. These summaries are useful not only for the bank's customers, however, also for the bank's internal stakeholders. Upon successful deployment, it is estimated that this automated process can help save up to 70% in labor as well as cost for 3 FTEs in a small team. Now, as I mentioned previously, we have applied the same product with following the same workflow in the life sciences industry, where we're essentially helping pharmaceutical companies automatically generate regulatory reports with high accuracy. And this is helping us deliver value for 3 key reasons. First is traceability. So our products are essentially designed to be traceable, which means that the link between the text that they generate and the values where the information is coming from is very clear. Next, we are automating a process that was previously entirely manual and previously took around 8 to 10 hours for an expert to actually write a report. Finally, the savings in effort as well as time are helping our customers save costs by up to 90%. Because previously this use case required a large team of 200 to 300 experts to actually go through all of the data and write reports. Finally, I just wanted to highlight the technical workflow for the configuration of our product to generate reports that summarize the performance of financial products. And let me just draw your attention to 3 key points. Firstly, our product makes use of novel unsupervised AI along with synthetic data generation techniques, which means that our product needs significantly less data to begin with for training. Next, we make use of a human-in-the-loop framework, which allows an expert to not only validate the outputs of our model, but also provide feedback that can be used to improve the performance of the model over time. Finally, all of the technical components in our pipeline, including the pre-processing, data generation, as well as the human expert in the loop framework, are fully productized. and are accessible over a web API for your trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we would be happy to get in touch. On this slide, you can see the contact details of our founder, Dr. Vibhor Gupta. Thank you very much.